AR tour takes Notre-Dame visitors back in time. 3 years after the fire that swept through Notre-Dame, an exhibition using augmented reality, AR, will allow people to see not only how restoration work is going, but also travel back in time to explore the cathedral's 850-year history. Designed by Paris startup Histovery, the exhibition uses 360-degree 3D reconstructions of 20 important events, including the coronation of Emperor Napoleon in 1804.
They will travel back in time in an immersive manner so that they can be in the middle of historical moments that we recreate thanks to 3D and digital technologies.
Each visitor is given a histopad, a tablet with which the AR images and videos can be viewed. Among the other historic events depicted are the wedding of Henry IV and Marguerite de Valois on the square in 1572, the construction of the Gothic choir in 1180, and the nave in 1645 with young King Louis XIV. The exhibition will move to Washington, D.C. from April 23, 2022, before traveling to 12 other capital cities by 2024. Cathedral, cathedral, immersive, immersive, depict, depict, construction, construction, nave, nave,